Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we're going to create a custom drink water reminder using Python. So first up we're going to import time, and then we're going to import a module called plyer, and from plyer we're going to import notification. If you don't have plyer installed, just hit pip install plyer in your terminal and it'll install. So from plyer import notification. After this we're going to create a title variable, and in title we're going to store reminder, and we're going to create a message variable, and we're going to store drink water. So now we're going to create a reminder variable, and in reminder we're going to store float the time in which we want the code to sleep. Then we're going to create a while loop, while true, time underscore 1 equal to reminder into 60. So reminder, we enter the time in minutes and it will convert it into seconds. Then time.sleep will be time underscore 1. Then notification dot notify title equal to title, and message will be equal to message. And if you want an app icon, you could hit app underscore icon equal to the file name, and if you don't want an app icon you can just type none. In my case I want an app icon. I'd always use images with .ico as the extension because png does not work, png or even jpeg. So let's try and run the command. Let me reduce the time to 0.09 seconds. As you can see guys, it's working, and we'll be getting a notification in every 5 seconds. So I'll just stop the program. Thank you guys for watching.